Hey everybody, it's Angie. Today I'm working on a large canvas. It's 24 by 48 gallery wrapped. It's for my daughter's birthday. Yesterday I did a pour on and it didn't work out too good, so it'll do okay to help cover, but we're going to do this different. And I'm going to show you a glimpse of what I did. We'll fast forward it just to give you a look. Okay, so today we're going to do it a little different. Like I say, this was not a waste, it'll help cover. We're just going to put straight paint on the canvas. Now I'm about out of this color. I hope I'm going to have enough. We're going to go up to a lighter shade I mixed. Just added some white to it. Made it a little bit lighter. I wish I'd done this yesterday. Live and learn. Okay, and then our lightest shade, and we'll put up here near the top. I hope this is going to be enough. We'll make do. Okay. My brush is a little damp. We're just going to start down here and spread this out. Might need to spray this brush just a little bit more. Put a little water in this plate. Okay. Yeah, I think this is going to be better. This canvas has some weird lines. I don't know what the heck that's from. I hope this covers it though. We won't need that. You just want to keep working it in. Cover your canvas. Keep coming over there and getting some water. That helps to blend it. People use blending gel. I have some of that, but a little bit of water works. Okay, I'll grab a paper towel. Get a little bit of this dark off the brush so I can get it light. I do want some contrast here. Okay, I'm going to work with this to blend it in, then I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, I'm back. I worked with this back and forth for a little while to get it blended, and it just does so much better with a brush and put the paint directly on the canvas. I didn't do well with pouring it on. I guess it's a preference, but for me, this worked better. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and then tomorrow I'm going to come back and start painting. Okie dokie, I'll see you guys a little later. Hey guys, we're back. It's been a couple of days, and now I'm ready to put a branch across this thing. So, we're going to do it in black. I got a number 18 brush. And we're going to start over here. I should cut the air off so you can hear me. It's like 90 degrees out there today. Getting ready to have more thunderstorms. It's like every day. Okay, I'm going to start right here. This is a big branch. I'm concentrating now, I might be quiet. You really want to get this part done. You know, with branches, there's no wrong or right. Just make you some, you know how branches go crazy? Make you some little branches coming out. Maybe this one's gonna come down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Lord knows I ain't. Okay, let's see. And I'll probably speed this up in the video from here on out. Okay guys, I went back and I added a few leaves. Just a dabble here and there. Make it actually look like a branch. So when this dries tomorrow, I'm going to come back out and we're going to start adding some flowers or foliage to it. That's where the bloom smashes are going to come in. Something I've never done, so I hope it works out. We're going to say this is the end of part 1. So check out part 2. Y'all like and subscribe and share. Help me get to 1,000. Hey, we hit 100. All right. I was jumping up and down. All right, you guys take care and I'll see you in the next video. Later.